So, if you want to update your website on Wix Studio Editor that we have used to create your website, there have like a uh, desktop, tablet, and mobile responsive option. So this is
Is
your website. You
this is
just
what
need
I'm
to
seeing? This is what I'm seeing. Okay, yeah.
when you will log in on your account. Still now
Okay,
I am the owner of the website. So when I will
right.
transfer the website to you, so you can see the look like that way the same things. So at the very
Okay,
right corner you can see here edit side and a arrow icon. You just need to click the arrow icon and then you can see here full mode and the content mode. So
okay,
for the full mode, this is for like it's me the designer, there have option to do the full design, but
okay,
on the content mode there have only option to update the text, the media, the links.
okay. And that's for me. I can do
Yes,
that.
it's for you. So you just need
Okay,
to click on it, then you can see
yeah.
another editor on it. There have only option to update the content, the text, the link, but you don't have option to update the layout because layout is fixed.
Why does it say astrology?
This is just for their editor.
It's
This
an
is for
advert, an editor. Okay.
yes. Okay, so when this is the content mode editor, so you don't have option to do the layout here. Here have only option to
No,
do the content things like
I'm
is
going. I'm going to leave that photograph. I think that's a good photograph.
okay.
That
So
one.
let me just
It's when we go to the next ones. When we go to
let me explain it.
home. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
so if you want to make change on this section, then you just need to click the section, then you can see at the right side this is the background section
Okay.
that you don't need to update. You can see Wix Pro gallery here that I have used to
Gallery.
make the gallery. So
Yeah.
if you want to update the picture, you just need to click manage media,
Yeah.
and when you will click on it, then you can see the
Ah,
pictures here.
see what's there. Okay.
So
Okay.
so if you
Good.
want to add a new media here, then you just need to click add media. You can upload here image, you can
With
upload here video
upload.
as well. So
I can upload a video.
yes, you can upload the video as well.
Okay.
And you
I have somebody who's been working on a video, so that's fine.
okay, and if you
Okay.
want to move the things like yes you want
Okay.
this picture
The
at first,
first
just
one.
drag and
Okay.
drop it, then it will
Okay.
be fine. So let
Okay.
me make it how it was before and then click done, then you will be fine.
And
And
then when you were there and I saw those photographs, the pictures, number 3 was the one that has the bedroom there. You see number 3.
yes,
But now what happens is through those doors, all you can see is sunbeds piled one on top of the other. So I want to be able to